With the prevailing energy crisis, energy guzzling at any scale, particularly at industrial level, is totally unaffordable. Depleting fossil fuel resources, global warming, and a hike in oil prices present sustainable energy resources as the best answer to the energy requirements of the country. Luckily, Pakistan is abundant in the most sustainable form of energy, that is solar. The ideal climatic conditions and an impressive solar installation suggest Pakistan's energy mix must possess a huge share of solar. Unfortunately, lack of standardization and awareness has not yet let the field of solar gain its due popularity in the country. At Premier, we are putting purpose before profit by increasing awareness and promoting the use of renewable energy resources. The company has initiated a program called Empowering the Industries, under which Premier Energy is providing special subsidized rates for grid-tied solar power plants installed at utility scale. The program aims to help industrialists save on energy generation cost, allowing them to invest in other divisions of their businesses, hence resulting in increased production and ultimately the revival of the industrial sector. Premier's grid-tied solar power plants encompass world-class technology imported from Tier 1 companies across the globe. Premier represents a number of international principals in Pakistan, including ABB, Suntech, Canadian Solar, SunPower, Ceronic, and many others. Premier's grid-tied solar power plant is directly connected to your grid, and the units produced through the roof-mounted solar modules are injected into the grid to be used for overall operations. Premier's online monitoring system allows you to experience real-time remote monitoring of power generation equipment and site conditions through a dedicated portal. These smart systems are supported by string inverters and galvanized iron frames and are capable of net metering facility, allowing you to sell excess electricity back to the grid and earn money with your solar system. With a total payback of less than 4 years, these systems are ideal for utility-scale projects starting from 32 kilowatts up to megawatts. The initial survey, detailed technical and financial proposal is free of cost. Are you using the most sustainable form of energy available? Have you added solar to your energy mix? And finally, are you an energy-efficient firm? Let us save big, go green, and put an end to energy guzzling. Book your free survey today. Call 042 111 234 235 or log on to www.premierenergy.com.pk.